Hi guys, good afternoon, good evening. We are going to see FIS and client data analysis based on today market data, and we are going to predict tomorrow trading plan and tomorrow market direction. See, I am getting this data, FI and client data from this NIC site. So I have given the URL here. So this is the URL. From this URL, I am downloading the data. So I'm I'm showing you where I am getting this data. So you can copy that URL and paste it. So this is the URL. You can copy this URL from the Excel sheet and you can go to that URL. So here the select report drop down. Here you can select the report name is participant wise open interest, and you can select the data for today and yesterday. So only we are going to consider the data for yesterday data and today data, and you can download in the form of, after selecting the date, you can click on the get data button. You can get the data in the CSV format. So I already downloaded. So I have already downloaded, and after downloading you can see the data. This is the data for 23rd, today data, November 23rd. So I am copying this data and I'm pasting in this Excel sheet. So this is the 23rd data, this is the 22nd data. So after pasting this data, and this is the client, this is the FII, this is the today and 1 day ago, and what is the change between this yesterday and today. For we are going to see the three categories. One is index futures data and option call data and option put data. So we are going to find out the net change for the current day and yesterday. How to do, before that, how to get the 1 day data, 1 day ago data. So this 1 day ago data for this client, for the index feature, how to calculate? Just index feature long minus index feature short. So this is the previous day, November 22nd. So what is the index feature, feature index long and feature index short? So feature index long minus feature index short for the client. So that is the difference I have placed here. That is R3, sorry, here 1 day ago. So B14 minus C14, the cell reference is B14 minus C14. So this is B, and this is the row for client. Row for the client is 14, and column is B. So this is the index, feature index long minus feature index short. So that is that difference value is I'm calculating and pasting here. The same way option for the option call 1 day ago, option call long minus option call short. So 1 day ago, 22nd, on 22nd, or the client option call long, option call short. That is F14 minus H14. You can see F14 minus H14. The same way you can calculate for option put. So option put long minus option put short. The same way you can calculate for today. So the value for today is this, the value feature long, feature short, option index call long, option index call short, put long minus put short. Like that you can calculate three different category values from the today data. So I have calculated the same way you can calculate for FII. So for index feature, for option call, for option put, you can calculate the difference. For index feature, you can calculate from the 1 day ago data. From the 1 day ago data, you can calculate in index feature long minus index feature short. For option call, you can calculate option call long minus option call short. Here, option put long minus option put short. The same way, for today, from today data, you can calculate index feature long minus index feature short and option call minus option call short and option put long minus option put short. So after calculating these values, the third column is net change. Net change means you can difference between today value minus 1 day ago for index feature. That difference is showing minus. And for option call, today value minus previous day value, that difference. And for option put, today value minus previous day value, what is the value? The same way for FIS, you can calculate the net change. So how we are how I am putting sell or buy based on this net change. Based on this net change, I am considering sell or buy. For example, here the net change is in this negative. So negative means sell. Here negative, the net changes will for option call net changes is negative. So sell. For option put net changes in plus. So buy. So after categorizing sell or buy, you have to um, come to the conclusion whether it is bearish or bullish. For index feature, clients are selling in the index feature. So clients are selling in the index feature means the clients are in the bearish side in the index feature. In the option call, the clients are in selling mode. So for call option sell means the market is in bearish mode. For option put, the clients are buying the value. They have added the value. So put option buy means the market is in bearish mode. So all this index feature option call and option put clients are in bearish mode. So client got clear signal for all these three categories: index feature, option call, and option put. For all these category, clients are in bearish mode. And same way in FII, here the net change is positive. So index feature in buy, they did net buy. And for option call, the net change is positive. So they have done buy. For option put, the net changes is negative. So they have done in the sell. They have done sell. So in index feature, the FIs are in the buying mode means the market is in, they are in the bullish mode in the index feature. And for option call, the FIs are in the buying mode. So option call option buy means the FIs are in the bullish mode. And option put option sell. So the FIs are selling mode in the option put. So put option sell means the market is in bullish mode. So for all these three categories, the FIs are in the bullish mode. So a clear signal, FIs are in the bullish mode. So clients are in clear signal in the bearish mode, and FIs are in the bullish mode, clear signal. So market always behave based on the FII direction. So here today based on today data, FIs are in the clear bullish mode and clients are in the clear bearish mode. So tomorrow 100% the market is going in the bullish mode, because the always market will behave based on the FI direction. So tomorrow we can expect the market in the bullish mode. It may market may gap up or it will open in the flat mode. So market, after that market will be in the positive mode only. So how we can enter the, how we can trade? What's your trade plan tomorrow? Once the market is open, wait for the support and resistance, or wait for the 20 days EMA. So once the market price reaches near to 20 days EMA, then you can start your, and you can start your uh, call option buy. So tomorrow you please be ready to buy the um, please ready to be in the buy entry mode. So call option buy. So please ready to take a call option buy. So whenever the market price is coming to near 20 days EMA, average 20 days EMA line. So from there you can take a entry, or take a position for call option buy. And then and also you can use CPR and pivot points, and also you can use a price action strategy. And so guys, tomorrow the market is in green mode. Market is going to be by positive direction. So be ready to buy the call. And tomorrow support and resistance will be for Nifty. The support level will be 17,400, and next support level will be 17,300, and next support level will be 17,000. And the upper side, the resistance will be 17,600, and the resistance 2 will be 17,700. For Bank Nifty, the support level will be 37,000, and resistance will be, first resistance will be 37,500. So guys, please this note these support and resistance for Nifty and Bank Nifty. And tomorrow market is going to be the, for Nifty, the market is going to be the positive direction. So be ready to buy the call option. Thank you.